For proper operation, DreamStation Go must have a filter installed. The DreamStation Go comes with a reusable pollen filter that should be rinsed every 2 weeks and replaced every 6 months. For added filtration, an optional fine filter can be used in place of the standard pollen filter. Fine filters are disposable and should be replaced after 30 nights of use or sooner if it appears dirty. Your device will display a message every 30 days to remind you to check and replace your filters if needed. To change filters, stop the therapy and disconnect DreamStation Go from its power source. Remove the filter by sliding it out from the base of the device. Examine the filter for tears and signs of debris. If using the pollen filter, you can hand wash it in the sink. With the locking dimples facing downward, run warm tap water through the filter to rinse away any debris. The fine filter cannot be washed, it must be replaced. Lightly shake the pollen filter to remove as much water as possible. Set it aside to air dry. When it is completely dry, insert the pollen filter back into the bottom of the device. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.